Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Brimley, there was a castle perched atop the highest hill. It stood amongst the shimmering clouds and ancient trees, whispers of its cursed fate carried by the wind that rustled its ivy-clad towers. Inside this castle, Princess Elara had been trapped for centuries. It was said a spell cast by an envious sorceress had locked her away in an eternal slumber, her dreams haunted by the eerie melody of enchanted harps that played incessantly from the depths of the castle. Many brave souls had sought to free the princess, but none succeeded. The castle was imbued with magical defenses, corridors that twisted strangely, rugs that seemed to ripple like water, and doors that whispered warnings to those who dared approach. The rescue of Princess Elara fell upon a young knight named Rowan. He was of humble beginnings, but possessed a heart full of courage and kindness. Rowan had heard tales of the princess since he was a child, and as he grew older, his determination to break the curse intensified. On the eve of the harvest moon, when magic was believed to be at its strongest, Rowan began his perilous journey. He ventured through the forest, guided by the ethereal glow of fireflies that seemed to understand his mission. As Rowan neared the castle, he felt an unsettling chill in the air, and the gossamer mist parted to reveal the grand entrance. The castle was eerily silent except for the haunting melody that continually echoed along its desolate hallways. Rowan steadied himself, stepping into the castle with resolve. The moment he crossed the threshold, he felt the castle's consciousness stir, as if it acknowledged his arrival. Shadows morphed into shifting silhouettes along the walls, glowing eyes watched his every move. Determined, Rowan navigated through the maze-like corridors, guided by the melancholic music that seemed to pulse with the princess's slumbering heart. A twist in the corridor suddenly revealed a staircase leading down into the darkness. Each step resonated with a deep, hollow sound, a quiet warning, perhaps, from the castle itself. Rowan descended courageously, clutching a medallion given by the sorceress of light, crafted to protect him from dark enchantments. At the bottom of the staircase lay the heart of the castle, a grand hall filled with strings of silver, each vibrating in harmony, casting shimmering illusions across the decadent marble floor. There, atop a dais, lay Princess Elara, encased in crystal, her long auburn hair cascading like a waterfall of autumn leaves. Her face was serene, yet one could sense the yearning of her soul beneath her calm demeanor. The air around Rowan shimmered mysteriously, and the melody intensified, echoing tales of love and sacrifice, a test of the knight's heart. Rowan, with his eyes fixed upon Elara, took out the medallion, whispering the ancient spell taught by the sorceress of light. As the words flowed from his lips, the aura around the medallion brightened and pulsated, its light piercing through the enchantment. A powerful surge of warmth enveloped the room, causing the castle to shiver, its shadows recoiling. A radiant beam burst forth, enveloping the crystal that imprisoned the princess, and slowly, bit by bit, the crystal dissolved like mist in the morning sun. The music softened to a gentle hum as Elara's eyes fluttered open. Rowan stepped forward, offering his hand. "Awake, dear princess," he spoke gently, "for you are free from the sorceress's curse." The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.